Hey guys, my name is Ethan, this is Carberra. Welcome to series where I teach you how to build a Discord.py music bot for your server. Today we're doing episode 10, the very belated episode 10. I do apologise for that. I slightly miscalculated my recording schedule with regards to me moving into my new apartment, which I'm here now. This is the first recording I've done since I moved. But yeah, that's why this video is a bit late. I've also changed up what the video schedule is going to be slightly, because originally I said we were going to do episodes 10 and 11, or we were going to do the shuffle and repeat mode in one video, but I've actually decided to split them up. So in this video we're going to be doing shuffling, and next video we're going to be doing repeat mode. So the first thing we need to do, as always, is come down to the bottom of our script and make a new command. So we're going to make our shuffle command. So as ever, commands.command name equals shuffle async def shuffle command self ctx, and we don't actually need another parameter for that. This one is about as easy as the rest of them. We've got just a player equals self.getPlayer ctx to actually get our player. You've got player.queue.shuffle, which is what we're going to be implementing, which is where we're going to spend most of the video. And then we're just going to do await ctx.send queue shuffle. You could, if you wanted to, put the new queue here, but I think just to keep it clean, or for my implementation to keep it clean, I'm not going to do that. Of course, you can do it however you want. This is just a guide, and it's for you to make your own thing out of, rather than just directly copy pasting. So we're going to do our error handling when we're down here. So shuffle command.error async def shuffle command error self ctx exception. Oopsie daisies. And then we're going to just do if is instance queue is empty. Oh wait, ctx will send the queue could not be shuffled. I haven't forgotten about that. Oh, as it is currently empty. Again, just getting the error message from my little plan/notes here. So we're going to come up to the queue now. We have all this first track, current track, and all that stuff. We're going to come underneath get next track, and I'm also going to move my plan up there. Again, it's been a little while since I worked with this, so I remember how everything works, just not perfectly, so which is why I have this here. So if not self dot underscore queue, then raise queue is empty, our favorite error. So what we're going to do, instead of shuffling the whole thing, we're just going to shuffle the upcoming tracks. So if you shuffle the whole thing, then obviously the song you're currently listening to gets thrown around, and it could be put right at the end, and songs you've already listened to could be put in front of it, and songs you haven't listened to could be behind it. So if we just get the list of upcoming tracks, shuffle those, and then reconstruct the queue, or at least that part of the queue with all these tracks in a shuffled order, then we have our shuffled queue without causing a disruption, without skipping any songs or whatever. If you want to do a complete queue shuffle, that's a lot easier. I'm pretty sure all you have to do, or first thing you have to do is come up here and import random. And then you could just do random dot shuffle self dot queue, and that will shuffle the entire queue. But this, of course, will have the issues that we don't want, where it'll put stuff in the wrong place. So we're going to do a slightly, in my opinion, better implementation. So we're going to set upcoming as self.upcoming. So we're going to get the upcoming from here, and we're just going to set that as a temporary value. Then we're going to shuffle that instead. Now this random shuffle shuffles in place. If you don't want to do that, you can do, I think it's random.seed, I'm pretty sure it is. And you put the adorable in here, and then you have to do like a k value. It's a bit more complicated, but we don't need to do that. And it's also random, not random. There we are. And then we simply just overwrite queue to be self.queue up to self.position +1, so we reconstruct the first half of the queue, and then we reconstruct the second half of the queue with the new stuff. So queue.extend upcoming. It is probably possible to do some online, thinking about it now. So you could probably do, I don't know, if you want to do a list comprehension, you could do that, or it's not list comprehension, and then do something like upcoming or something like that. I don't know, I'm just going to do it this way. You can experiment with more one-line methods if you want, but I'm just going to do a two-line method, because why the hell not? Now we should have a system that shuffles our music. So we're going to open the terminal, pi-3.8, because I have to specify that, dot launcher, /launch, no, god, launcher.py, there we go. You don't have to do /, I just prefer to do it. So now if we have, oh, there was an error. Oh, I haven't started the Lava Link server. God damn it, I've fallen foul of my own advice. I'll be right back while I do that. Okay, there we go, so we have our Lava Link server set up, so we can actually use it now. That would have been good to do. Yeah, as always, that is a timely reminder to always start Lava Link before you do. We have had a few people in the support channel so far with issues, and the solution is just start a Lava Link server. So please remember to do that. If you get that error, that's probably what's wrong. So if we do, I don't know, I'm just gonna like play. I don't think we need to actually. Actually, I'm gonna queue a lot of stuff to get a sizable queue, and I'm gonna get us in the right place. So I'll see you in a bit for when I actually do that. Okay, so as you can see, we have a little bit of a queue up. We don't really need to do any skipping or anything to get in there, because it will just shuffle all these. As you can see, we have a 1625 currently playing. I don't know what's happening in the end bit there. You see that? Oh well, whatever. Then we have a few songs down here. So Sunday Skate, Easy Sunday, Youngblood, and Turbo, all good songs. So if we were now to do shuffle, it will hopefully work. Queue shuffled. Load the queue again. And wow, it's basically reversed the order actually, pretty much. That's kind of funny. But if we do a skip, and we skip to the next song, and we get the queue back in, and then we do a shuffle, you'll see that 1625 doesn't make it in because it's a song that's already played. And you can see that the queue is all shuffled around again. I think it's actually done it in reverse again. Oh no, it hasn't. It has actually shuffled them. So as you can see, everything's all in the right place. Queue again. We've got two songs in there. If we do a shuffle, it might not actually shuffle them at all. But if we get the queue, you'll see that Easy Sunday doesn't appear in there either. It actually did shuffle them. But Easy Sunday is still currently playing, and the other two songs are not there. So that's how you get a shuffle command without messing up your queue, and it just shuffles the songs coming up rather than anything else. As always, if you have any questions, then feel free to leave them in the comments below, or you can join the Discord server using the link in the description. While you're down there, I have a lot of social links, so if you want to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Library, or anything like that, then you can do that from down there. But yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. If you liked it, then say hello down below. If you really liked it, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. And if you really, really liked it, consider supporting me on Patreon. Of course, you don't have to, but a really cool thing of you to do. But then I might like to have my super patrons, Darky and Jackster. And I'll see you next time where we do repeat modes and stuff. So we set repeat all, repeat one, that sort of thing. So I'll see you for that.